Namaste friends, welcome back to our SSLC Math Solution series. Here, let us solve a beautiful 3 marks question which is taken from the chapter Polynomials. It has been appeared in SSLC Maths Model Question Paper number 4 for the year 2025 to 26. Let us dive in. The question is, if alpha and beta are two zeros of the polynomial p of x is equal to x square plus 3x plus 2, then find the value of alpha cube beta plus alpha beta cube. Now let us solve. Let p of x is equal to x square plus 3x plus 2. Let alpha and beta be the two zeros. What to find out here? Alpha cube beta plus alpha beta cube. We know that for a quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c, sum of the zeros means alpha plus beta is equal to negative of b by a. Here b is equal to 3, so negative of 3 by 1, which is equal to negative of 3. And product of zeros, that is alpha into beta, is equal to c by a. Here c is equal to 2, a is equal to 1. So it is equal to 2 by 1, that is equal to 2. Now let us find the value of alpha cube beta plus alpha beta cube. Observe here, alpha into beta is common inside the bracket. What we have now? Alpha square plus beta square. Now let us find the value of alpha square plus beta square by using the identity a plus b the whole square, which is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So a square plus b square is equal to a plus b the whole square minus 2ab. So now what happens? Alpha into beta, instead of alpha square plus beta square, we can write it as alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 into alpha into beta. Now let us substitute the values for alpha into beta. Product of the roots, that is 2. Alpha plus beta the whole square. Sum of the roots is negative of 3. So negative of 3 the whole square. Minus 2 into product of roots. What is that? 2. So 2 into 2. That is equal to 2 into negative of 3 square is 9, 2 into 2 is 4. So that is equal to 2 into 9 minus 4 is 5, 2 into 5 is 10. So alpha cube beta plus alpha beta cube is equal to 10. If you found this solution helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Your support helps us to bring clear, creative learning to every student. See you in the next video. Until then, keep solving, keep smiling. Thank you for watching.